Hi, welcome to What's Working Wednesday here on the step-by-step listening page. I'm Cheryl Andrews, I'm the founder, and I help you do more of what you love and ditch the critic who says you can't. I'm also author of the book, Manage Your Critic from Overwhelm to Clarity in 7 Steps. And today I'm talking all about photographs. I'm actually sat here outside the studio of Wendy Hudson Photography, and both her and Penny Plimmer from JPEX Photographs are the photographers that I'm working with. And when I say I'm working with them, I mean that they are my clients and I'm helping them to do more of what they love, which is take photographs. But I'm also working with them as a client. I'm having photographs taken with them to help me to develop myself further, for me to love what I see in a photograph. And so that's part of my personal journey right now. And so I'm actually here with Wendy today. I'm just about to have some lingerie photograph taken, which I've never done before. Always felt very conscious of stretch marks and shapes and things that are left over from having had children. But never really had a very good self-image of myself. From a very young age, I felt that I was described as solid and tree trunk legs. I never really perceived that my body was a very nice thing. And so I'm on a journey to use photography to help me to give myself the feedback I need to see and reflect myself differently. So as part of my journey with helping these photographers do more of what they love, one of the challenges they've got is they keep coming across people who hate having their photograph taken. So I've got 3 questions for you today. And I'd really like you to, if you can answer yes to all 3, will you put your name below the video and let me know if you'd be happy to chat to me about this, because I'd really like to help these guys get the language and the conversations going that they need to get to generate more work for themselves. So the first question is this. Do you agree that in order for us to connect with other people, particularly in business online, we have to have a photograph of ourselves so that other people can know, like, and trust us? So is it a yes or no? Do you agree we need to have that photograph? If you're not sure about it, think about this. If you are looking up a plumber or electrician, someone who's going to come into your home, and on their Facebook page, they've got a picture of a cat or their children or a cartoon character or a spanner, do you find it more difficult to connect with them as a person? So if you answer yes, you do need to have a photograph if you want people to connect with you. Question number 2, do you hate having your photograph taken or hate looking at yourself in a photograph? And number 3, do you want to change that? Would you like to be able to look at your own photograph and know, like, and trust that you are a good person, that you make a difference and you add value, and that just the way you are, whatever shape or size, whatever colour hair, whatever nose or eye shape you've got, whatever is about you, that you are just perfect the way you are right now? So if you answer yes to all 3 questions, would you put your comments below? I'd really like to chat to you just for a bit of market research to help my clients. But I'm also considering putting on a charity event because I've been asked by Women's Business Club to raise some money for the anti-human trafficking and sex slavery that still happens in the UK, which is absolutely shouldn't be happening. And I want to stand for that and I want to make a big difference. And so if you're interested in finding out more about any workshops we might be putting on about that, which will be around self-image and photography, then please let me know, because I'd love to hear from you. If you're sat there thinking, yes, I do agree that we need to put photographs out there. Yes, I hate having my photograph taken, but no, I don't want to change it. As a parent or a business owner, I want you to think about this. If you are not prepared to change how you look at yourself, and you're not prepared to change how you feel about yourself when you see a photograph of yourself, how do you expect other people to look at you and your photographs and to know, like, and trust you? They will be a reflection of how you feel about yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, they won't believe in you too. And if you've got children or you're responsible for motivating, inspiring other people, if you want your children to be happy, confident adults, you want them to look at a photograph of themselves and think they're just perfect, they're lovely just the way they are. Then how will they know how to do it if you don't know how to do it? Because they're going to learn from you. So if they see you looking at photographs going, oh, I don't want to be in a camera, I don't want to look at it, I don't take pictures of them, they're going to be the same. And maybe they're going to start to believe that there's something wrong with them, when actually we're all beautifully human and we all come in shapes and sizes, and at the essence of all of us is our heart and it's love. And we have to find a way of connecting with that. And if I can do something this year that will help you to connect with yourself and your photograph, can help these 2 photographers generate more business and donate money towards the anti-human trafficking, then I'm on for a winner. So thanks very much for joining me today. Please put your comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. Speak to you soon. Bye.